Nine signs nine signs say you don dey spoil your life. If you notice yourself doing any of these things, your life don dey spoil. You fit no know now that your life don dey spoil. Number one na if you constantly borrow to satisfy other people's need. You see, people, the moment you find yourself in a situation where if person beg you money, you know say you no get am at that moment, you go go borrow from somebody to give that person because you wan maintain good relationship with the person. You dey spoil your life because that person don go solve im own problem, but now you don put yourself for problem of paying back loan when you take, just because you wan appear good for people. So never borrow money to satisfy other people's need. There are few exceptions to this. If the person worth it, then you can, but when you see yourself borrowing money to give to people, every slightest excuse when person give you or emergency, there is you need to realize say another person emergency no be your own. So if the thing person come to you for help and you no fit help at that time, politely tell them say, well, I no fit. The ability to say no, you need to develop am. If not, you go spoil your life with your own hands. Number two sign say your life don dey spoil, you don dey spoil your life, na if you are the giving side, you are always giving. You see, when you find yourself in a situation where you be say na only you dey give and give and give, you no dey receive from the same people, then your life don dey spoil. Even our relationship with God, no be so e be. You see, when you give anything for the kingdom, God dey recompense am back, and in more than how you give am. Why? Because He dey try motivate you to let you know say this relationship no be one-sided thing. So if you see yourself when you are the only one giving to people, they no dey give back, then you need to cut out from that kind of relationship. Then because your life, you don dey spoil your life if you stay in that circle. Number three, sending money to ladies to appreciate their beauty. Is there any fine girl when you say, fine girl, you too fine, send me your account number, ma appreciate your beauty. You see that thing you dey do. If you see yourself doing this particular thing, you need to stop because you dey spoil your own life. You know how many fine girls you go meet in a month? If you dey send money to every fine girl when you see to appreciate their beauty, sooner or later you will soon bankrupt. And those girls, when you dey send that money to, they no go even send you because they no send you in the first place. So guide your money.